If you've been scrolling through TikTok or YouTube lately, you've probably seen those flashy ads saying, "Mine crypto with one tap," and the TikCoin Network app practically forcing itself onto your screen. So I decided to dig in and see what's really going on behind all that hype. Right from the start, TikCoin throws big promises, future listings, passive income, a revolutionary mining system, but when you look deeper, things start getting interesting. The team behind the app appears completely anonymous, with no linked profiles, no public developers, and absolutely no white paper available for users to verify anything, which instantly raises questions about how the project is structured. Then there's the app itself. It requests 19 different Android permissions for a mining function that doesn't seem to actually mine in the technical sense. Instead, the famous mine button mostly just triggers an activity timer rather than any real blockchain process. TCoin also claims that its validator nodes are decentralized, but the structure looks surprisingly centralized, almost as if the control stays in the hands of the same silent team that never shows their faces. And while the app heavily advertises that exchanges will list TCoin in 2026, there's no confirmed partnership or roadmap update that supports that timeline, leaving users wondering how realistic those promises really are. On top of that, real user complaints keep piling up, people talking about lost coins, KYC freezes, repeated logins, and no sign of an actual payout system that converts those in-app numbers into anything usable. So today, I'm breaking down everything I found, not to hype it and not to bash it, but simply to show you the results of checking what's behind the screen of TikCoin Network, so you can decide for yourself whether it's worth your time before tapping that shiny mine button.